Hey guys, Brian at Frontier Shop Supplies. Wanted to talk to you about our Roloc assortment that we have for you guys that aren't already set up to do this at your house or in your shop or wherever your working situation is. This is a really nice kit that we put together to get you started with a complete Roloc system. This will cover you for sanding, surface conditioning, and cutting with all the necessary arbors, eye protection, everything you need to get started working with Roloc discs, which this tool is a must-have for any shop, especially when you're getting into corners and anytime you're trying to get into any tight quarters to sand, cut, surface condition. This tool will be worth its weight in gold. You can use it for just about anything that you're doing. It'll make you much more versatile. All you need to have is an air compressor, and then everything else here is what you need. If you have an air compressor at home, you're good to go. Everything else in this assortment, you'll be 100% ready to roll. Let me go through real quick what's included in this kit. So we include 5 discs of everything that you need so you can figure out what you use at home. And then once you figure out what you use, you can get on our website and buy bigger quantities of the actual products that you use. But this is a very nice setup so you have a little bit of everything and see what actually benefits you. So I'll start first with the surface conditioning, or Scotch-Brite, whatever you want to call it. We include 2-inch and 3-inch coarse, which the brown signifies coarse. These are great for removing gaskets, for removing rust, for blending welds, anything that you have to do that you want to actually condition the surface of the metal without taking a lot of material. So these are fantastic for that. This is the coarse version of the Scotch-Brite or surface conditioning material. And then we do also have a medium that I'll show you in a second. But these are if you look at the back, and these are what's called a Type R style connection, which are the male plastic button, and that's called a Type R. In the Roloc industry, there's Type R and Type S, but these are everything that I'll show you here today is Type R, and that's the arbors that are supplied. So these are your 3-inch coarse Type R surface conditioning discs. That we get 5 of each of these with the kit. And then we go to the medium, which is the red. That's how they're signified, is the red is medium. Again, same connection. These are most widely used for taking gaskets off of if you're doing aluminum heads, or if you're doing anything, timing covers, anything like that. Gasket stripping is probably one of the most common used things for this disc, as well as blending your welds and whatnot. But as far as like an automotive style application, you're going to be stripping a lot of gaskets, prepping your metals before you reseal everything. And then on the metal fabrication side, after you have sanded your welds down, and you want to blend that in so it looks like one piece of metal, one seamless piece of metal, then that's where either of these surface conditioning discs are going to come in. And these are a must-have for your use at home. You'll find a million uses for this thing that I can't even go into right now. The next thing that these come with is a 36 grit sanding disc in the 2 and the 3-inch. The 36 grit is going to be one of your most used pieces. It's going to take your welds down from, right after you weld it, you have your big welds. You want to take it down, you want to blend it. You're going to take those down with this. You're going to get it down as far as you can. The 36 grit's going to leave some decent scratches in the metal. So after you're done with the 36 grit, then you can immediately go right into the 60 grit, which you can see are a little finer disc. The 60 grit's going to get you all the way to a paintable or a powder coatable finish. So that'll get you, basically you can take the weld down with the 36, go to your 60 grit, and then you can go to your surface conditioning. And with these steps, you can literally make that metal look seamless with this system. The other really important thing that's with this kit is the cutting wheels. So we do have we supply some 3-inch cutoff wheels with the arbor as well. And the ones that I supply with the kit have a 3/8-inch hole. But with our arbor, if you do already have some of this stuff, with our arbor, that will also take the 1/4-inch cutoff wheels. If you already have some 3 or 4-inch cutoff wheels at home with the 1/4-inch arbor, this arbor will use either one. So that's just a really nice kit. The other thing we do supply is a 1/4-inch angle die grinder made by West Pro. That's what we sell to 99% of our industrial customers here. It's a very good tool. We'd have zero issues with it. We stand behind everything we do 100%. So if you do have any issues with it, let us know. But it has the 1/4-inch collet, has the adjustable speed, feeding speed right here. We do also include the arbors. These are the arbors for the 2-inch and the 3-inch for all your discs, which is what this kit comes with, is the 2 and 3-inch. And then also for your protection, safety glasses. You don't want to lose an eye. So we give you a pair of safety glasses with this kit as well. This is a great kit to have. If you have this at home, it's going to make you much more versatile. It's going to give you're going to be able to get into areas to do whatever you need to do that you're not going to be able to with your big 4.5-inch grinder. You just do not have access to get in those areas. So this is something that is definitely going to make you more versatile getting all your projects done at home. So get on our website, check it out. Great value. This would be something you really need to have in your shop.